How to get free stuff on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into it. To get yourself free stuff on Temu, just sign up into your Temu account. Yes, you have heard it right. If you are a new user of Temu, you'll get some of the discount on your purchases or even a welcome gift. Temu often has a lucky wheel game that allows you to spin and win free items or even discount. If you didn't know this, by referring a friend, you will also get some of the rewards and discount on your next purchase. You can refer a friend by inviting them using your referral code or your referral link. Temu may offer special rewards or prizes for referring a certain number of friends. Temu often has in-app games like Fishland or Farmland that allows you to earn points or virtual currency. You can use them onto your next purchase to get yourself a discount as well. Daily check-ins and streaks in your Temu will also help you to earn some of the coins, coupons, or free items as well. So make sure to go ahead and use the strategies to win yourself some of the free stuff on Temu. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.